Riwruok mar jotije mag mbalariany UASU bade ma mbalariany ma Nairobi ywago rochni e tend tat somo e kar tiegruokno. Gichich ni nitiere kaka josiasa kod jotelo mamoko dwa donjore e chenro mar ndiko jotelo mag tat somono. Ka giloso gi jofwambo, jotelogo bende okwedo lendo manoketi e gaset dweni e wi thuolo mag tije mag tend mbalarianyno, ka giwacho ni chenro maket kamano nosetime kor higani, mak mana ni ok ging'eyo gimomiyo inuoye kendo ma ok ochiw ler malong'o.
Public has spent money for all these processes to be done, and the public is concerned why we re-advertise before we know the outcome, publicly know the outcome of the interviews that were done. We believe strongly, and because we are a university, we believe strongly on merit, that any recruitment done in the public sector, in the public service, should be on the basis of merit, the basis of professionalism, not the basis of nepotism, not the basis of ethnicity, not the basis of political expedience.
Any kind of operational involvement from any quarter that violates laid down university statutes, laws of the land, will be met not with just a scathing rebuke, but with swift actions that the union will deem fit. That past, where the chancellor, be very clear about this, the past where the chancellor meddled in the daily operations of the university, as was with the previous chancellor, the days when the council overstepped their mandate and basically pitched camp in the university towers,